Hi Stellars! Welcome back to Tartala PH. At para sa mga bago sa aking channel, welcome sa inyong lahat. Today meron po tayong mini reading. So ito po ay mini reading series for the month of Bear months. Ngayon, very short lang na reading po ito para sa ating mga Virgo signs, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And keep in mind, this is a general reading lamang, so hindi lahat makapag-resonate. At kung kailangan nyo naman ng personal reading, you can check out my Facebook page, my Etsy shop, or you can email me. So lahat ng aking social media accounts ay nasa description box below. So please check it out. Okay, Virgo, let's see your reading here. We have letter. A message or contact from your love is on its way. At sabi dito, I see your face and body on my mind all the time or maybe 24/7. Obsession. We have here weakness and strength. Support, love, trust. Okay, so Virgo, I can see here na the person that you have in mind, or it could be you, no? There's somebody here na sobrang creative. And why did I say creative? Probably kasi itong tao na to very sentimental. And yung creative ideas nila, madalas nilang nire-relate sa'yo or kino-connect sa'yo or sa love story yung dalawa. And they really wanna give out a message to you, not just by a letter or a text message, but in a creative way. As far as I can see here, itong person na to, they could be a musician, lyricist, poet, singer, or very creative person. And they have a sort of a very strong energy of obsession here. Kasi parang gusto nilang i-win ikaw dito sa sitwasyon na to. They really want to strengthen this a love connection between the two of you. And it shows na weakness kanila nitong tao na to. Sobrang weak na weak sila every time nandyan ka. Why did I say, not in a weak na parang in a negative way, but they are very weak when it comes to you. Parang sobrang drawn kasi sila sa energy mo and hindi ka nila ma-resist. So let's see the clarification of these energies for you, Virgo. We have here Two of Wands, the Chariot, okay, and Nine of Pentacles. Alright, so I can see here that they really wanna talk to you again, pero they are kind of coming from afar. Alam mo yun? Parang they're just observing you. For some of you, you feel like this person is stalking you probably in social media, but they are going to come towards you. Parang they really want to approach you, but it's really up to them kung paano nila gagawin yon. But I definitely feel that they were going to approach you in terms of what they have achieved or what they already have in life. Kasi yung Nine of Pentacles here, I can see na parang ano sila, well-off person. They're probably have a business or very very successful in career, very independent. And ito yung person na always in action that I can see here in the Chariot energy. But they're going to really decide if they will let you know how they really feel about you. And parang ano din sila parang hindi sila hesitant dito with the Chariot energy to really approach you here, Virgo. So this is your reading. I hope it somehow it shows some help in your love life or clarity. And I hope to see you next time, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste.